Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, Chris is 8 years old and Richard is 58 years old. In how many years will Richard be 3.5 times as old as Chris? Let X be years that will Richard be 3.5 times as old as Chris. So, from given information, 58 plus x equals to 3/2 8 plus x. So, 58 plus x equals to, this 3.5 means 3 2s are 6 plus 1, that is 7/2 into 8 plus x. So here multiply both the sides by 2, or we can take here just divide throughout by here right hand side by 2. So 7, 8/2 is 4 plus x by 2. So 58 plus x equals to 7 4s are 28 plus 7/2 means 3.5 into x. Now take x on one side, so here it is 3.5 into x minus x equals to 58 minus 28. 3.5 minus x means 3.5 minus 1 into x equals to 58 minus 28 is 30. 3.5 minus 1 means 2.5 into x equals to 30. Now divide throughout by 2.5, so we get x equals to 30 by 2.5, and 30 by 2.5 is nothing but 12. X equals to 12. Hence 12 years will Richard be 3.5 times as old as Chris. That is, our answer is 12 years. And from available options, we have option B as 12 years.